Okay, hi everyone. So in this video, I'm just going to answer a question from class, which was how do we get the map to filter out this page here on the right? We were getting stuck with using this filter button here, and then when we clicked a road shape, it would make our image disappear on the right, or our visual disappear. And we can see what's happening is it's adding an event, an action filter on event type, and obviously none of these match. So how do we fix this? Well, we're going to remove the filter here, make sure there's no filters at all. So when we click a road right now, nothing's happening. And we have to add our own specific filters to the dashboard through actions. So come up to the dashboard, go to actions, and we're going to add first, I want to show you just with a highlight rule. So we're going to highlight the road that's being selected. And here we can do selected fields because it's not going to match on the specific event ID because there's too many individual IDs and we don't have the IDs in this table on the right. So we're going to match event type and road name here. So when I click a road here, you can see it's highlighting the road that is being selected. And so that is one solution. You can see Highway 17 is being highlighted. So that's one solution. But obviously, I don't know if it'll scroll down to these smaller ones. So if we want to actually filter out the entire table, we can create another type of action here. And this time, instead of doing a highlight action, we're going to do a filter action. And again, we're going to leave our source sheets and our target sheets as both sheets. On select, we are going to keep the filtered values, and then clearing the selection will show all values, right? So then all of them will come back, and then we can do selected fields. And the only one we need to add here is the road name being equal to the road name. So just scroll down until you find it, and road name is equal to road name. That's our source field, that's our target field. Click OK, and now you can see it's filtering. Now there's one problem. You can see I have every month here except for July and August. So it's only showing me data where I have values. So here, this road only had reports in April, May, and August. How do we show the entire table for all months? Well, we have to come back to our sheet here, and there's actually a little trick for this in the Analysis tab. Go to Table Layout and say Show Empty Columns. You're gonna have to fiddle around with your coloring a little bit here. So I go into my edit colors and I made my start from 0 to 14 on this custom sequential pattern. And that way, it showed the chart a little bit how I wanted the colors to be. And you can obviously change the color to match what you want here. So I'm going with my orange theme again, clicking OK, and we can go to our dashboard. And now it's going to show, when I click this, all of the months, even if they're empty. So you can see. All right, and if we click off, then it shows all values. And if we click a new highway, then it's going to show all of the months for that highway specifically. Okay, so that's how you filter. All right. If you want to watch back through the video, you can see all the steps in detail, kind of pause and play as you like, but that just adds a little bit more customization to our visuals there. Okay, thanks for watching.